The drone industry has been waiting eagerly for DJI's latest release, and the excitement has finally reached a peak. DJI has officially teased what it calls the most anticipated mini drone of the year, the Mini 5 Pro, set for release on September 17th. This drone has already captured the attention of enthusiasts and professionals alike. After months of rumors, leaks, and speculation, unboxing videos and product listings have given us a clear look at what the Mini 5 Pro has to offer. From its upgraded 1-inch camera sensor to improved flight times and smarter features, it promises to be a big step forward for DJI's compact series. Pricing and purchase options. Some of the first questions potential buyers ask is about price. Thanks to early European retailer listings, we already have a good idea of what the Mini 5 Pro will cost. The standard Mini 5 Pro is expected to be priced at around €819. This marks a slight increase compared to the Mini 4 Pro, but considering the number of upgrades, it is a fairly modest adjustment. For those who want additional accessories and more flight time, DJI will offer Fly More combos. These are priced at approximately €1,029 for the version with their CN3 controller, and €1,159 for the bundle that includes the C2 Pro controller. Although exact United States pricing has not yet been revealed, the amounts should translate closely, with only minor regional adjustments. While the Mini 5 Pro costs more than its predecessor, the improvements in design, battery life, and image quality help justify the increase. For both beginners and professionals, it looks like an investment that will offer strong value. First hands-on look ahead of the official release, an unboxing video surfaced online showing the Mini 5 Pro in detail. In the video, the new drone is placed side by side with the Mini 4 Pro, providing the best comparison yet. At first glance, the design philosophy remains familiar, but the Mini 5 Pro is slightly larger. The difference in size is mainly due to the new gimbal and camera housing, which now accommodates a much larger sensor and added technology such as LiDAR. Despite the bulkier build, DJI has managed to keep the drone under 250 grams, an important milestone that ensures it can be flown without registration under FAA rules in the United States. European customers will also appreciate the CO certification label attached to the bottom, which means it meets the lighter category requirements under EU regulations. This balance of advanced hardware and legal compliance makes the Mini 5 Pro especially appealing for hobbyists and frequent travelers. Camera capabilities. Most talked about feature of the Mini 5 Pro is undoubtedly its camera. DJI has given this drone a major boost by including a 50-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor. For a drone in the sub-250-gram category, this is a significant upgrade. The camera is capable of recording video in 4000 resolution at up to 120 frames per second. This opens the door for smooth slow-motion footage at professional quality. The f1.8 aperture allows the lens to capture more light, improving overall image clarity and making low-light conditions more manageable. Dynamic range has also been expanded, with up to 14 stops available in HDR mode when using automatic settings. For filmmakers and content creators, the 10-bit recording option will be particularly appealing, as it allows for greater flexibility in color grading during post-production. Another key improvement is the redesigned gimbal, which can now rotate up to 225 degrees. This feature makes it possible to record true vertical videos without needing to crop or edit afterward. Given the popularity of vertical formats on platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, this change reflects DJI's recognition of how drones are increasingly used for social media content creation. In short, the Mini 5 Pro offers professional-grade imaging power in a drone small enough to fit into a backpack. Extended flight time. Battery life is another area where DJI has made major improvements. One of the long-standing limitations of compact drones has been their relatively short flight time, which often left pilots juggling multiple batteries for longer shoots. The Mini 5 Pro addresses this concern with two different battery options. With the standard battery, the drone can achieve up to 36 minutes of flight time, already a respectable improvement over many competitors. However, with the new Plus battery, the flight time extends to an impressive 52 minutes. This makes it one of the longest flying drones in its weight class. For travelers and outdoor enthusiasts, the ability to stay in the air for nearly an hour on a single charge is a huge advantage. It reduces the need for carrying extra batteries and provides much more flexibility when capturing complex aerial footage. Design and portability. Even with a larger camera system, DJI has maintained the portability that defines the Mini series. The Mini 5 Pro still folds into a compact form that can easily fit into a small bag or case, making it highly travel-friendly. The arms fold neatly, the propellers remain slim, and while the gimbal housing is more prominent, it feels sturdy and protective. The weight reduction efforts have been carefully balanced against the need to house more powerful hardware. By staying under 250 grams, DJI has ensured that users can enjoy advanced technology without the burden of heavier drone regulations. Intelligent flight features. As expected, the Mini 5 Pro is equipped with DJI's latest suite of smart flight modes, designed to make aerial photography and videography accessible to everyone, regardless of skill level. The drone supports master shots, a feature that automatically combines multiple maneuvers into cinematic sequences with minimal pilot input. Quick shots, such as drone, rocket, and circle, are also available for easy but dynamic footage. Panorama modes have been improved, giving users options for wide-angle, 180-degree, and spherical captures. Active Track 360 brings smoother subject tracking, ideal for following people, vehicles, or animals during dynamic shots. Another impressive addition is off-state quick transfer, which allows files to be moved at speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second using Wi-Fi 6. This makes it far more efficient to transfer large 4K video files directly to a smartphone or other device without long waiting times. These intelligent features make the drone fun for casual pilots while also serving as powerful tools for content creators who need consistent and creative results. Connectivity and controllers. Depending on the package purchased, buyers will either receive the standard RCN 3 controller or the more advanced RC to Pro controller. Both options provide stable connectivity and smooth operation, but the RC to Pro offers a slightly more refined user experience with added range and features. The Mini 5 Pro also simplifies the binding process, with leaked images showing a Bluetooth-based connection system similar to previous DJI drones. This means setup is quick and user-friendly, even for those flying a drone for the first time. Who should consider the Mini 5 Pro? The appeal of the Mini 5 Pro stretches across several different groups of users. For beginners, its lightweight classification, intuitive controls, and smart automated features make it one of the most approachable drones on the market. There is no need for complicated setup, and flying it does not require FAA registration in the United States. For professionals, the 1-inch sensor, 10-bit recording, and long flight time make it a serious tool for high-quality productions. It could serve as a backup drone for larger projects or even as a main camera for travel vloggers and content creators who value portability. For frequent travelers, the ability to carry a drone under 250 grams that still offers professional-grade performance is a huge advantage. The compact design, long battery life, and strong camera system make it an ideal travel companion for capturing unique perspectives on the go. Conclusion: the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones of the year. By combining professional-level camera performance with a compact, travel-friendly design, DJI has created a drone that appeals to both newcomers and seasoned pilots. Its 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor, ability to shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second, extended flight times of up to 52 minutes, and suite of smart features all make it stand out from the competition. While the price is slightly higher than the previous model, the improvements are significant enough to make the Mini 5 Pro a strong value for money. With its official launch date set for September 17th, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine expectations for compact drones. Whether you are just getting started in aerial photography or looking for a powerful yet portable addition to your toolkit, this drone is worth serious consideration.